Another common concern a lot of new mothers have is about the baby's hiccups. Okay, see, newborn babies do hiccup a lot, and a lot of time parents at home are very worried, and they're like, elders tell you to give water to the baby, feed the baby, and all that. Okay, so newborn hiccups are generally not very distressing for the baby, so please don't panic. And second, what causes them? This is because the diaphragm contracts, and the reason for that can be when the baby overfeeds, or when the baby swallows too quickly, or the baby swallows too much of air. Okay, so this is something you really need not be really worried about. So please don't panic and just let the baby be. It'll get all right on its own. So take care and chill.